Hello. Let's learn horse facts. Horses are four-legged animals. There are over 300 different breeds of horses in the world. About 50 million years ago, horses appeared on our planet. They have been domesticated for about 5,000 years. Horses are very intelligent and smart animals, and have an excellent memory. They have great senses, including a phenomenal sense of balance, good hearing, and eyesight. Horses have large eyes, larger than any other mammal that lives on land. They can see almost everything backwards with a vision that is approximately 360 degrees. Horses are known for their long legs. They can walk, gallop, jump, and trot. Horses can sleep both standing up and lying down. They are very fast animals. Fastest horses in the world can reach speeds of 55 miles per hour. Horses are herbivores. They eat plants. They like to eat grass, hay, apples, peas, beans, and other fruits and vegetables. Horses have small stomachs, so they eat often and little. They drink an average of about 10 gallons a day, or 38 liters of water. Stallion is an adult male horse. A young male horse is called a colt. Mare is an adult female horse. A young female horse is called a filly. Horses gather in groups called herds. Certain breeds of small horses are called ponies. Thanks for watching. See you.